Well, here it is. It's a 5-ton, 60,000 BTU scroll compressor. It's the best you can get for the price. What more can I say? This is a spare part that you can get online, which most things today you can buy online. So this will be a replacement for our compressor that needs replacing. And it's very heavy actually, and there's a hook there you can attach the rope to, lift it up onto the roof, or you can take some more straps and carry it up somehow, but it's quite heavy. It's over 50 pounds. So for most people that's heavy. Anyway, we'll continue disassembling it from this box. It came well packaged with a foam, and there was another piece on top, of course, to hold the top. So we'll continue with this project here shortly.